What's up, guys? Today we'll be making this blinged out chandelier. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. You're gonna need a Dollar Tree plastic plate. These chandelier crystal beads, I got mine off Amazon. And a melting gun. Alright, so now I am just melting some holes around the rim where I'm going to be putting my beads. Alright, so now that all the holes have been made, I'm putting the plate to the side and I'm gonna start counting out my beads. I originally started with 5 and then I went back and chose to start with 1. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to start assembling it. If you haven't yet, please hit the like and subscribe button. It will notify you every time I upload a new video, and it lets me know that you're interested in more of my crafts. Okay, now that all the beads are attached, what I'm doing now is I'm just melting the center of it so that I can place it on the ceiling. This is how it came out. I love it. It came out so beautiful and elegant, and it's very affordable and easy to do. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.